Hi, my name is Annaël Sort Montenegro. I come from Trinity College Dublin and I'm here at the University of Wollongong as a visiting student for doing a secondment. So I'm from France. I did most of my undergraduate studies in France. After graduating from high school with an emphasis in sciences, I went to do what is called a preparatory school, which is a 2-year intensive course to prepare to a final nationwide exam. And based on your results, you are accepted or not in what we call engineering school. And I was accepted in the engineering school called ESMAC, which focuses on chemistry and physical engineering. And for my last year, I decided to do an aperture on chemistry and bioengineering. And after that, I have always been passionate by biomimicry. And I thought there was not much of this subject in industry at the moment, so I thought I'd like to bring research to the companies, and I thought I needed to learn how to do research. That's why I decided to apply to PhDs, and I was accepted by Trinity, and now I'm a PhD student in Florea Lab, so under the supervision of Larissa Florea. So I'm here as part of the DMANS project, which is the design and manufacture of sustainable materials for additive manufacturing technologies. The aim of this project is to be able to print hard materials using bio-sourced polymers, because the big problem of these materials at the moment is that they have very weak mechanical properties. So in the future, that would be used to replace fossil-based polymers and create more sustainable materials. And at the same time, I've been able to continue the research I do in Trinity based on electroactive droplets, and including spiroperan molecules, which have been developed by the University of Wollongong. So the highlight of my research here has been to be able to collaborate with a different environment, see how research is done in another university or even another country. And I really enjoyed as well being able to collaborate with a lot of researchers of the university, for example, working with TRICEP and the ipri. And then the highlights of being in Wollongong, I would say the way of life here is very relaxed, very nice environment, everyone is super nice. It's a very livable city. And in Australia, I would say maybe the trip that I did to Uluru was a great trip, and I really enjoy to be able to see a completely different face of Australia, because in Wollongong and the East Coast is very much big cities, a lot of people, so it was nice to go to a place where it was more about nature and was so full of culture. So my plans when I get back to Trinity would be to finish the work that I've been working in before coming here. So I'm preparing a paper on my electroactive droplets and another on electroactive hydrogels. So I still need to finish up some experiments so that I can be able to finish a manuscript for a paper and submit it. I would like to thank everyone to have been so kind to me, to have made this great adventure possible. I'm very grateful, and I feel very lucky to have this great opportunity as a PhD student to come here.